Hi, welcome back to Popular Gadget Items. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best olive oils of 2025, carefully selected for flavor, purity, and health benefits. Whether you're cooking, drizzling over salads, or looking for a premium cold-pressed extra virgin option, these olive oils deliver exceptional quality. Stay tuned as we break down taste, sourcing, and value to help you choose the perfect bottle for your kitchen. Let's dive in. Number 5. Today we're taking a closer look at Amazon Grocery Olive Oil, medium flavor 16.9 fluid ounces, formerly known as Amazon Fresh. Don't let the new packaging confuse you. Amazon confirms that while the label may vary during the transition, the product and ingredients remain exactly the same. That's reassuring, especially for customers who've grown to trust the quality. This olive oil offers a medium flavor profile, striking a balance between rich, flavorful notes and a smooth finish. It's a great choice for roasting vegetables, sautéing meats, or using as a base for homemade dressings and marinades. Because the flavor isn't overpowering, it works well in everyday cooking while still delivering that classic olive oil depth. Plus, it's non-GMO project verified, which adds an extra layer of confidence in what you're putting on your plate. The 500 milliliters bottle is convenient for small kitchens and frequent use. On top of that, Amazon positions this as part of their mission to make staple grocery items more affordable, and users agree. One customer mentioned getting a great deal buying in bulk, although the bottle got slightly squished during shipping. Another reviewer praised the excellent taste and unbeatable price, saying they save around $4 per bottle and use olive oil 99% of the time for heart-healthy cooking. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, flavorful, everyday olive oil, Amazon Grocery delivers strong value without compromising on taste or quality. A solid pick for smart and healthy home cooking. Number 4. Today we're reviewing the Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a 25.3 fluid ounces bottle designed specifically for cooking. This isn't your average olive oil. Graza uses single-origin picul olives from Jaén, Spain, known for producing high-quality EVO with naturally high polyphenol. The olives are harvested at peak season, then cold-pressed immediately, ensuring freshness without blending or additives. What makes Sizzle special is that it's made from mature, mid-season olives, giving the oil a more mellow flavor and a higher smoke point, ideal for heat-based cooking. Graza markets Sizzle as born for the heat, and it shows. You can use it for roasting, searing, pan frying, baking, marinating, even poaching. One simple rule from the brand: if it goes in or on the oven, use Sizzle. Sheet pan veggies, chicken cutlets, fried rice, even chocolate chip cookies all benefit from its subtle, clean flavor. The squeeze bottle design is a huge bonus. It gives you precise control while cooking without messy spills. One user review loved the squeeze cap and called the flavor delicious, adding that the single origin sourcing was a big selling point and that they'll definitely reorder. Another reviewer praised its rich yet smooth taste, saying it performs well both in cooking and as a finishing oil, even mentioning they use it as a beauty product for skin and hair care. In short, Graza Sizzle is fresh, flavorful, versatile, and fun to use. If you want premium EVO that's affordable enough for everyday cooking, this is an excellent pick. Number 3. Today we're reviewing 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil in a large 33.8 fluid ounces bottle. If you're looking for a premium EVO with everyday affordability, this bottle checks a lot of boxes. It's made from a blend of olives sourced from select Mediterranean groves, giving it a balanced, versatile flavor profile that works beautifully in a wide range of dishes. This olive oil is cold-pressed and tested to meet International Olive Council standards, which means it's held to industry-recognized benchmarks for purity and quality. The flavor is smooth, clean, and slightly fruity, making it ideal for sautéing, baking, tossing into salad dressings, drizzling over roasted vegetables, or finishing pasta in grain bowls. With a melting temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles heat comfortably while still maintaining its rich taste and nutritional benefits. At 33.8 fluid ounces, The bottle offers excellent value for the price, a key reason many shoppers choose the 365 brand for their pantry staples. One reviewer said they're really glad they found this online, noting the great deal and that they love cooking with it. Another reviewer went even further, calling it top-notch and saying the taste is noticeably better than some well-known Italian brands that have been questioned for authenticity. In short, 365 by Whole Foods extra virgin olive oil delivers reliable quality, clean flavor, and outstanding value. Perfect for everyday cooking with premium taste. Number 2. Today we're reviewing the Pompean Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a massive 68 fluid ounces bottle that's perfect for frequent cooks and families. Pompean has been crafting olive oil since 1906, and this product holds that legacy proudly. Made from first cold-pressed olives, this EVO is produced in collaboration with a dedicated family of farmers, ensuring quality from grove to bottle. It's also certified for authenticity by the NAOA, so you know you're getting genuine extra virgin olive oil. The flavor profile is exactly as promised: smooth, delicate, and versatile. Pompean Smooth EVO works beautifully for sautéing, stir-frying, pan cooking, and finishing dishes with a light drizzle. The oil contains polyphenol and maintains high nutritional integrity, thanks to its cold-pressed extraction. Plus, it's non-GMO project verified, naturally gluten-free, kosher, and non-allergenic, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. User feedback strongly highlights its dependability. One reviewer calls it a kitchen staple, praising the mild flavor for cooking, dressings, and vegetables. Another reviewer loves the convenience of having such a large bottle delivered, especially helpful for older adults. They use it not only for cooking, but also for baking, skincare, homemade lotions, and even hair care, calling it 100% recommended. In short, Pompean Smooth EVO offers quality, authenticity, and incredible value, making it one of the best large-size olive oils for everyday use. Number 1. Today we're reviewing a premium, chef-trusted olive oil. Atlas Organic Cold-Pressed Moroccan Extra Virgin Olive Oil in a 500 milliliters glass bottle. This isn't your standard supermarket EVO. It's produced from olives grown in the rare climate of the Atlas Mountains in Morocco, an area known for high-altitude conditions that enhance the polyphenol content and flavor profile. Atlas presses the olives only once, ensuring maximum freshness, nutrients, and natural antioxidants. This EVO is 100% organic, cold-pressed, sustainably sourced, and unprocessed. No additives, no chemicals, just pure oil from a single-family farm. The aroma is delicately complex, featuring notes of almonds, herbs, sweet banana, lemon, and basil. The taste is bold yet balanced, making it perfect for finishing dishes, dipping bread, drizzling over salads, or enhancing desserts and baked goods. Atlas olive oil is trusted by award-winning chefs and luxury restaurants around the world, a strong endorsement of its purity and flavor. This isn't just cooking oil, it's a gourmet ingredient. Customers love it too. One reviewer praised the beautiful bottle design and described the taste as simply amazing, noting its vibrant green hue, a sign of freshness. Another user commented on its strong polyphenol kick and now takes a tablespoon daily for health benefits, saying they feel better than ever and have already ordered a second bottle. If you're looking for premium quality and exceptional flavor in an olive oil, Atlas is worth the investment. A luxury EVO for those who want the best. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. Comment below and tell us which olive oil you're excited to try, or if you have a favorite we should test next. Your support helps this channel grow. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep cooking with quality.